Okay. Our third problem here, it asks us what is 0.075 as a fraction. So it's basically asking us to convert a decimal 0.075 into fraction form. So in order to do that, we go to the rightmost place of this fraction, and we know this is the 0 is on the 10th place, the 7 is on the 100th place, the 5 is on the 1000th place. In order to convert a decimal into fraction, we just go to its rightmost point or rightmost number that is not 0, and we just find what place it is, and in this case it's the 1000th place. So we just use 1000 as its denominator, and for its numerator we just get the number that's to the right of the dot, which is 75. I guess technically it's 0.75, but since 0 is the first place, it's like you don't need to write it because it's in front of the number. Alright, now we know that the greatest common factor of 75, the numerator, and 1000, the denominator, is not 1, so this fraction can be reduced, or in other words, simplified. Now let's try to see what is their greatest common divisor or greatest common factor. In this case, I'm pretty sure it's 25. You might just find 5 because 5 is easier to see since both one number ends with 0 and the other ends with 5, which is clear that they are both multiples of 5, but I think 25 should be quite, so I think if you don't know that their greatest common factor is 25, you can just do 5 and just do 5 again, because after you divide both the numerator and denominator by 5, you would notice that you can still divide both the numerator and denominator by 5 again, so it's not at its simplest form, although it is simplified. So yeah, let's just divide both the numerator and denominator by 25, and we should arrive at our solution. So we have 75 divided by 25, which is just 3, 1000 divided by 25, which is just 40, so our answer is actually 3/40, and this is what 0.075 is as a fraction. Now let's look at a sample solution over here. Yes, they are quite correct. So let's just say your solution is correct, or the solution is correct. Excellent job. Nice. Now let's move on to our next problem, which is